In this video, I will review MindManager and help you decide if it's worth your time and money. Let's get into it. So MindManager is a mind mapping tool designed for organizing ideas, planning projects and improving your workflow. But is it actually useful or just another overpriced productivity tool? Let's start with the good stuff. First off, it's packed with features: mind maps, flowcharts, task management, and even Gantt charts if you like project planning. It's also really visual, so if you prefer seeing your ideas laid out in a structured way, this tool is perfect. Plus, it integrates with apps like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and even SharePoint, which is great for team collaboration. Now, the downsides. It's not cheap. The pricing is a bit on the higher side, especially compared to free alternatives like Xmind or FreeMind. Also, while it's powerful, there is a bit of a learning curve. So if you're new to mind mapping tools, it might take some time to get used to everything. So is MindManager worth it? If you need a professional, feature-packed tool for organizing complex ideas or managing projects, yes, then it's a great choice. But if you're just looking around for a simple mind mapping tool for personal use, there are cheaper or even free options that might do the job just fine. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.